Now, from your weather authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, just a week ago tonight, we were chipping away 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch of ice. And then Monday, we dealt with 2 to as much as 10 inches of snow. And now we have system number 3, which in general is going to be about a 1 to 3 inch snowfall for much of the area. But it should be gone by noon tomorrow. Today was a little warmer. We finally got temperatures into the 20s after a couple of days in the teens. And tomorrow will be about maybe a little warmer after the snow comes to an end. And then one quick shot of frigid air Friday, and then the warm-up kicks in over the weekend. Alerts haven't changed. Most of the area, it's a winter weather advisory, winter storm warning, really for areas along and south of the Western Kentucky Parkway. But live first warning Doppler showing the snow overspreading a good deal of the area. These darker shades of blue is the more significant light to moderate snow now coming up into the Evansville area, especially the west side into the north side, picking up down towards Sturgis, Providence, Dixon. Already about an inch of snow has fallen in the Madisonville area, and this is going to continue in waves overnight. It's going to be a slow morning commute tomorrow, so give yourself plenty of extra time. But as I mentioned, we should see most of that snow out of here by about 11 a.m. or noon tomorrow. Snow is coming down throughout the metro with temperatures in the low 20s. Northeast side of Henderson, still seeing pavement there on Highway 41, but we can't see the lights of Evansville off in the distance because of the visibility being restricted by the light snow. And on the far east side of Evansville, this is I-69 and State Route 66. We've got some sort of accident here near the overpass. They have the on-ramp from the Lloyd to northbound I-69 closed. We've got some emergency vehicles over there, so probably some sort of slide-off has occurred in the last 20 minutes on our Superior Ag tower camera. And driving conditions will continue to deteriorate overnight because this snow, of course, is sticking right away. 23 degrees, northeast wind at 6. It's not as cold as snow or as windy conditions compared to the system on Monday, and it's not as dry as snow either. It's going to be a little wetter with temperatures right now generally about 20 to 25. We're just going to fall a few more degrees, upper teens to low 20s by daybreak tomorrow. This winter storm coming out of the Texas area, they're finally getting some relief from the ice and snow, now spreading through the deep south, changing to snow into the Tennessee Valley. The heaviest snow is in central Tennessee right now, including the Nashville area. That's going to miss us. That's where the real heavy accumulations will occur, but we'll get our share up here in the tri-state. So here's an updated future tracker as we take you through the overnight hours. We see this snow coming through in waves, still scattered a little bit here at 2 a.m., but by the morning commute, it's a pretty widespread snow throughout the area. But by 9 a.m., the snow is ending in the Evansville area and will end in our northern counties by about 10 or 11. And then we're left with just mostly cloudy skies, highs in the upper 20s to around 30. And I still think most of the area will wind up somewhere into 1 to 3 inch band. The lighter amounts more likely up towards Fairfield. Now, a heavier 3 to 4 inch band could sneak into our southeastern counties, especially along and south of the Western Kentucky Parkway. Could also see a little freezing rain mixing in that could put a little bit of a glaze on the snow there before it finishes up. And once we get this system out of here, the weather slowly improves. We see some sun on Friday, but one more frigid day with highs only in the low to mid 20s. A warm front is coming through on Saturday morning. That's going to have some cloud cover with it, but on Saturday, the clouds will give way to some sun, and high temperatures will get up to around 30, not quite cracking that melting point, but we will do that without any problems on Sunday. So overnight tonight, the snow continues, upper teens to lower 20s. Tomorrow, the snow ending from southwest to northeast during the morning, then mostly cloudy with total accumulations, generally 1 to 3 inches, just a little bit heavier down in our far southern counties, 26 to 31 for the high. Still 2 more winter weather alert days for sub-freezing temperatures Friday and Saturday, but we get some sunshine. Sunday, the clouds quickly increase. The day should be dry, and we finally cracked the melting point for the first time in a week and a half. 39 the high. Showers move through mainly Sunday night, ending early Monday, and then we get into some really nice weather, relatively speaking, with sunshine Tuesday and Wednesday. Highs in the upper 40s to near 50, but about 1 to 3 inches on the way. Not as much as the last couple of storms, Brad and Shelley, but this is hitting right before and even during the morning commute tomorrow, so it's going to be a slow go. Ron will have the latest on daybreak starting at 5 a.m., and Joe will be out in Storm Tracker with the latest on the road conditions.
Yeah, just be careful out there. Thank you, Wayne.